Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on the copy trading section in the Quotex broker. As you can see, we're on the main page of our account in this broker. In previous tutorials, we successfully registered and verified our identity in this broker. You can also check out our educational videos about different deposit and withdrawal methods in this broker. As you can see, there isn't a section called copy trade or social trade in the Quotex broker where we can directly copy other people's trades on our platform. However, the closest section to copy trading is the signals section, where we can see the signals provided in various markets. As you can see, in the signals section, we get an analysis from various markets that we can use to make better trading decisions. In the lower part, we can see the past signals that have been provided, and in the upper part, we have the signals that are currently being offered. Each signal provided has different components, including, in the lower part, we can see the past signals that have been provided, and in the upper part, we have the signals that are currently being offered. Each signal presented has different parts, including the name of the currency pair, whether it's bullish or bearish, at the time the signal is given, the exact date and time. The signal was issued, and also the duration for which you can use this signal. For example, if you click on this signal, the relevant currency pairs page will open for us, and we can decide to click on either buy or sell based on the signal we received. These signals are just suggestions based on market analysis. Click on the buy or sell button. These signals are just suggestions based on market analysis. This doesn't mean they will always be right. After you've analyzed your desired currency pair, you can check the related signal and use it to assist your analyses. So as you can see, the signal we received was for a duration of 5 minutes, but we used this signal within 1 minute. And fortunately, the market moved in the direction we predicted, and we made a profit. However, this doesn't mean that we can always achieve profits this way. This was a complete tutorial on the signals section of the Quotex broker. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.